Yo, what's up, YouTube fam? I am back. Been like 3 weeks since I did my last video, right? Cutting all these YouTube videos back to back to back does get a little exhausting. I'm not gonna lie to you, but you know what I mean? I told you guys all 2022, be consistent with it. I'm gonna be dropping as much content as possible. So as always, guys, make sure you like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you haven't already, share it with your friends, your family. Like I said, man, I'm not only going to just be discussing trading. I'm going to be discussing, a lot of different topics in regards to finance, in regards to economics, in regards to, what's to come. So you guys definitely want to tune in, comment below. I've been getting a lot of feedback from you guys, which has been awesome. A lot of you guys been telling me, how especially the last several videos I've dropped have helped you. One person hit me up. They've said they've grown their account like, about from 1,000 to like over 30K. I mean, just absolutely just the results I've been getting just phenomenal. Make sure in the description below, you guys are tapped into the Telegram. All right, man. So the Telegram, the Wall Street family. All right. I've been doing, okay, guys, I just want to let you know, all right, I do free training in here, all right, like morning sessions throughout the week, okay, they're for free, all right, so all you got to do is just be tapped in. I'll throw some setups at you. I'll let you know what I'm looking at in the markets, as far as crypto and trading, and like I said, man, like, people that are actually inside the community, they're absolutely killing it, man. Just as you can see, just absolutely just killing it, man. People just getting amazing results. So make sure you're tapped in there. Do keep in mind, I do get these messages. Yo, Steve, when you gonna drop the next YouTube video? When you gonna do more and everything like that? When you're receiving free, guys, it's free. All right, just be happy and blessed, okay? Because honestly, I don't really have to do all that. I have to go to extra mileage. So please, you know what I mean? Like, one thing that's a pet peeve of mine is people who freeloaders. All right, you're already getting it for free. I'm giving you massive value for free. All right, just be thankful, be grateful. Please don't hit my inbox talking about when's the next YouTube. You haven't dropped nothing in a couple of weeks. Drop some more. Chill, relax. All right. Now, today, I'm going to talk about a couple of things. Obviously, I'm going to talk about the markets. Like I said, we've been absolutely killing it. If you've been inside the community, you've been inside these morning sessions I've been doing, absolutely killing the market. And we're going to be killing the market all year long. As we know, the crypto market is in, quite a bear market. It's down. Some of your favorite crypto gurus, they ain't got crap to say, man. I'm telling you. You go on their channel, they were talking about all these coins that are gonna 100x in January and everything like that. I've been telling you guys for months, right? I've been telling you guys since October, yo, we're like, Bitcoin's gonna crash. Bitcoin will get back to around 30,000, actually lower. We'll take a look at that and look where we're at, right? I forewarned you guys. So I told you, anything that you do jump into, prepare for the next 18, 24 months. Now, as you guys can see from my screen, I have the inflation rate. Why do you have the inflation rate? Because I want to talk to you guys about what's going on in our economy, especially for those who are in the US. As you know, a lot's going on. First and foremost, we have now entered a war, right? War with Russia. Just what we need, another war. And if you've looked around and really pay attention, it's getting crazy out there, right? Like, rent is insane pretty much everywhere. Rent has skyrocketed. If you've gone into a grocery store, it's ridiculous. If you've gone to the gas station, it's ridiculous. Try to go buy food, it's just ridiculous. And why? Because, and this is what I want to talk about a little bit, right? Inflation. All right, inflation. Okay, guys. And remember, I always try to help you guys from the perspective of not just making money in the markets, but understanding what is going on around you. All right, what's happening. Okay, guys, we cannot be oblivious. We cannot be blind to what's happening on a day-to-day basis. Yes, I know you guys come in here, you want to know what's gonna, go up, go down. How do I understand imbalance in zones? Yes, that is good too. But from an economic standpoint, you got to also understand what's happening in the world. All right, you got to understand what's happening in the world. Now, inflation, right? So let's hop to it. Inflation is rising. and it's rising at an incredible rate. Right now in the United States, inflation is at 7%. 7%, guys. It's at 7%. I'm going to say it one more time. It's at 7%. And why am I saying that? Like, why is that so, like, shocking? Ladies and gentlemen, just a year ago, when Biden got into office, right? Just within the last 12 months, you guys got to understand, 12 months ago, a year ago, January, remember, it's January 30th, 2022. So January of 2021, we were around 1.4%. 1.4%. So I'm gonna put that in perspective for you guys. That means, all right, so I know a lot of you guys can resonate. I'm pretty sure you guys drive cars and so forth. So you go buy gas. That means a year ago, gas was probably around like $2.25, $2 and change, depending on where you're located, except for Cali, because everything's always been expensive in Cali. Now, average gas price is over $3.30. Right? Like I said, if you go into the grocery store, guys, I want to go buy just freaking water, right? I want to go buy water and gallons of water, some fruits, literally just some, you know, some grapes and some peanuts. I think that was about it. I swear, I kid you not, I spent like over $50. And I didn't buy like 10 gallons of water. No, I bought like maybe 3, water bottle 2. Like I said, some grapes and everything, right? That's inflation. And what's crazy, if you've been looking at the food is not even, what? Don't taste nowhere near the way it's supposed to. If you go shop, if you've noticed, right, there's a back order on so many things. It's crazy, guys. And let me tell you something, this is only going to get worse. The more this rise, the more everything around you is going to increase. So what does that mean? That means, guys, inevitably, we are heading into a recession. Most likely not even a recession, depression. As an economy, we keep going this route, and which we will, because, you know, the feds can't stop doing what they're doing. As you know, our government's complete idiot. We're going to get into a depression. I probably forecast probably the first quarter of 2023, right? We're going to, you know, be in this, as always, it's going to be gradual. So towards the end of 2022, 2023, yeah, you're going to see the news come out. Guys, I'm telling you, just like I predicted Bitcoin and I predict all these other moves and so on and so forth, I'm telling you right now, a depression is coming into this country, and it's going to be tough for a lot of you guys out there. I'm telling you right now. So that's why I've been saying, you know, to my close circle of friends, you know, my team, my org, yo, get your priorities in order. Get your priorities in order, because let me tell you something, the next 18 months, 24 months, right? Shoot, a couple years, few years, it's going to be really, really rough. Some of you guys are already going through it right now. All right. Some of you guys are going through it right now. And with the rising rate, you see, this is how the economy gets back at you. It's in one or two forms, right? It's through taxes or it's through inflation or both. And in this case, I think some of you guys don't realize how staggering that is. Like, to literally jump from less than 2% all the way to 7. That means we're 3 digits away from 10. Right? 10. This is all within 12 months. That's insane. So the next 12 months is going to be really scary, right? What if this doubles, right? I wouldn't mind. It would have still been a little problem if this doubled, if this was like 1.4, and then a year later, we're at 2.6, 2.8. I'd have been like, okay, not bad. But 1.4 all the way to 7 in a year is staggering. It's very, very scary. All right. And I'm going to actually, I'm going to do it now. I want you guys to watch this video, right? Post it in there. Inflation, right? It is serious. It's coming, and you guys need to prepare for it, right? Inflation Nation. Where is it? Actually, a video. I think Inflation Nation by Glenn Beck. Right, this video, guys, watch this. It's about 48 minutes. All right, and this is a big eye opener. All right, Inflation Nation, why America is hurtling towards economic collapse. All right, I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just trying to prepare you. All right, I'm just trying to prepare you. Actually, I'll drop the link. Actually, I'll do it now in my Telegram. All right, watch it. It'll be one of the best, informative, and it'll wake you up to what's coming so you can prepare yourself. So you guys are not like, oh, I didn't see this coming. Nobody forewarned me. No, you were forewarned. All right. So let's jump into the markets. Let's see what's going on. Let's talk about crypto. Let's talk about, what opportunity is going to happen this week. As always, let's try to get you guys paid. All right. So crypto is coming down. All right. And again, no surprise here. No surprise. If you've been plugged in to my, whether my webinars from Go Live or from my YouTube channel, you guys, you knew this was coming. This is not a surprise. We have been talking about this. I told you when we was up here back in April, I said we came down to 30, and then when we hit that double top, I said we're gonna come back and touch 30 again. So we're about there. We're about there. All right. And right now I could actually see this going even lower, and it's going to go lower. You know why? What do we have? We have some divergence here. Major divergence. So I see Bitcoin, believe it or not, coming anywhere from 30 to around 20,000. I've talked to some other analysts, some other traders, they believe lower than that. But for sure, somewhere inside this zone. All right, that's the next stop, somewhere inside the zone. So we're in this nice downtrend here, deep one. And as you can see, my favorite pattern is forming. A nice flag is forming. A nice flag is forming. If you've been with me, you know when you see correction, you know what's coming next. You know what's coming next, right? When you see correction, you know what's coming next. You know what's coming next. So we got a nice flag forming. I see Bitcoin probably getting somewhere around, let's see, maybe 39. Scoop to 39 and then drop. And then finally touch that 30,000. And then from there, potentially break through and go down even lower, right? And we'll probably be in this zone for the remainder of the year. I'll be honest with you. We'll probably finally drop or come up, drop, and then consolidate and something like that before we head back up. That's going to take like another 6 to 9 months. So pretty much majority of the year. So if you're looking to, if you're still listening to all these so-called self-gurus saying, this coin is going to 100x in the next 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, you're fooling yourself, right? I always keep it real with you guys. Always keep it real with you guys. Fooling yourself, right? Once this final drop is done, and it might even pull back, but let's see how aggressive. The more aggressive it pushes through, the more likely it's going to touch, potentially 20, maybe 18,000, potentially lower. All right. I saw one guy, he thinks it's going to get down to like 13,000, right? I had so many people who thought it wouldn't even get down to where it's at right now. They said, no, Steve, we're not even going to go below 40,000. We're going to just keep rising and going to 75K, then 100K. We're only going to have like small pullbacks. I said, oh, yeah, you really believe that? And I know some of you guys know that because you follow some of these individuals and that's all they've been preaching, right? All these crazed crypto guys. Yeah. Always look at the charts, right? Don't follow the hype. Don't listen to the loud noise. Learn how to read the charts. It never lies to you. As you look at it from a weekly standpoint, even from a monthly standpoint, what does it look like? A nice M formation, right? As soon as we close, you know how the M formation is. As soon as we close below, right, that neckline, oh, it's all downhill from there. And then look at these imbalance candles that need to be filled. So yeah, strong possibility for price definitely coming into the 20,000s, and potentially if it comes in to fill in this imbalance, yeah, we could see 15, probably 13,000. That is on the table. All right, so let's not, you know, cross that off. So we're getting a flag right now, correction. You could probably watch the 4 hour, let it pull back. You got an imbalance candle right here on this 4 hour time frame, pull back somewhere around here, maybe a little bit higher, and then you're looking for that reversal. That should happen this week. All right, so that's Bitcoin. Ethereum, pretty much same thing. Right, pretty much same thing, right? You're getting a flag, see, flag, right, flag. What you think you're getting? Flag, correction. So got Ethereum probably pulling back to 29, right? That would be an ideal spot, get to around 29, maybe a little bit more, and then we're dropping. And next spot, we'll be going to 17, 16,000. That's where we're heading. It was only just a couple months ago, we were at 4,800, right? In November, we were at a high of 4,800. Now we're at 26 and potentially coming all the way down to 16. If this breaks below here and we come down even lower, right? I'll be honest with you. If we get anywhere under 1,000, I'll actually buy the whole thing, right? When it came to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some other cryptos, I would just buy pieces of it. But if it gets low enough, then yeah, right? You don't want to miss that opportunity. So in the midst of this downtrend, I'll be honest with you guys, there's always opportunity. All right. This is the chance, right? It's only when there's blood on the street. There's only when the market is in chaos. That's the best time to make money. In 1 second, guys. That's the best time to make money. I'll be honest with you. This is the best time. Save up your coins and look to invest around these areas, because the next bull run, when it happens, you don't want to buy when the market is going up. You want to get it as low as possible, right? So correction, let it pull back to around 29, close as possible. Watch like the 4 hour time frame, maybe 1 hour, and then start looking for those strong bearish reversal candles. So you see how this came up, and then you want to just wait for bearish candles. See how this flag came up, and then strong bearish candles. What kind of candles? Like bearish engulfing candlesticks. All right, like that. That's a good indication price is about to drop. All right. XLM, pretty much same thing, right? They're all doing the same thing. Every coin you can think of, they're all doing the same thing. XLM under 20 cents. It was at a high of 44 just a couple months ago. Now we're at 20 cents. I see this potentially getting down to the teens. To the teens. Remember, this long term has a big, strong move to $1. So if you look at the weekly, look where we're at. We're not in this nice demand zone here. This is where you would potentially want to start investing in. You want to jump back into the market. All right. What else? We got Cardano, right? I'm just about to run through this real quick. Cardano coming back down, right? Cardano went all the way to a high of $3. Remember, it was around $3. Now we're getting back under $1, right? It's creating a nice flag. I say let it get to somewhere around $1, $1.02. Look it up and let it come down. We're in this downtrend. All right. All you're waiting for is just a pullback and then a drop, right? Best time to get in Cardano is when it's under $1 and start investing again, and then boom, go long. All right. Now we'll look at some other coins real quick, and then I don't want this video to be too long. I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on in the world. But yeah, right. Atari token, one of my favorites. Atari's at 3 cents. I remember started investing at Atari at around 10, 12 cents, right? It's at 3. Remember, it's hit a high of 66. Hit a high of 66. So when it got around 12, 13 around here, I was like, okay, we're somewhat good. We're pretty good. Now we're at 3. Honestly, guys, you're at a beautiful, beautiful area to start going long. All right. Hold this. We're pretty much at the bottom. It will rise again. Remember, the projects behind a lot of these coins, I know a lot of you guys, your crypto portfolio is down. You're trying to figure out what you should do. Should you hold? Should you, all the stuff? Me, honestly, hold. You only lose if you sell. That's it. You only lose if you sell. All right. And depending on where you bought, yeah, it probably looks really, really ugly. And that's why you can't just buy and invest anywhere. You always want to wait for the pullback. Let that be a lesson learned. But Atari here, I like it at 3. Anything under 10 cents, I absolutely love. 3, the lower, the better. That means you're going to get the best bang for your dollar. So if you got $1,000, $2,000, whatever, right? This is going to get you a lot of coins. This 1,000 is going to go more on Atari than it would on, Bitcoin. All right. Another favorite of everybody, Solana. Solana's at 93. Right? Solana's at 93. Let's go to this weekly chart real quick. Boom. Look at all these imbalance candles. Right? I believe Solana will get somewhere around 80 to 55. Get to 80 to 55. We might see a pullback. Let's go to the daily real quick. All right. We might see a pullback to around maybe 112, correction. All right. So just like this, we're still in this down move, this down market. All right. So just like that, these flags. You're waiting for a flag and then sell. And then somewhere around here, that's where you want to start looking to invest. All right. Same thing with all these other ones. Atari's one of my favorite. Gala, still one of my favorite. Gala's at 18 cents. Remember just a few months ago, Gala, right? Let's look at, let's get off of trading view. Gala was at a high of, look at that, right? Not market price balance. Gala was at a high of 71 cents. 71, it's at 18. All right, let's go to trading view. Look where we're at. Right? I think this is your area. Right around here. Good time. If you start investing now, even if price goes lower, by the time it reaches and creates that new high, you've already doubled, tripled your investment. You've already tripled, quadrupled your investment. All right. Be smart. Good area. All right. So like I said, pretty much all these cryptocurrencies, they're around areas that you pretty much want to look to get into. Just wait for probably one more big drop and then start getting them. And they're all of them setting up, because I know you guys in the comments, you're asking, what about Ripple? And what about this one? And what about Shiba? And guys, every single one of them. All right. Every single one of them. They're all prime. As long as you're looking at a crypto that has good utility. So like Ripple, honestly, like I've always said, so I love Ripple, I love XLM, I love NEM, I love Cardano, I love Gala, I love Atari, right? Obviously, you got Ethereum, obviously you got Solana and all these others. As long as they got good utility and they're gonna serve a purpose, they will all rise. If you're in them, again, unless something catastrophic happens, do not sell. All right, it's gonna be a long 18 months, but do not sell. I promise you. At the end of this bear market, you will be a happy investor. All right, so Ripple pretty much about to get back down to around 50 cents as predicted. So just let it get there. It's at 60 cents now. Probably one more good drop, 50, maybe 44, and you definitely want to get in Ripple. All right, definitely want to get in Ripple. Boom. So that's the updates on these cryptos. I know it's ugly, but that's the market, guys. Let this be a lesson to you, man. Never just buy because all these guys out there, they're just, I guarantee you, you look at some of your favorite crypto gurus, you go on their channels, you go on their Twitter, right? Remember I told you guys I went into a Twitter community a couple months back and I got roasted. Now what? And it wasn't because I was preying on the crypto market to pull. No, that's just how it was setting up, right? I'm just not stupid, and I don't want you guys to be stupid. All right, so what to watch for in the market this week? The JPY pairs. All right, GJ setting up for a beautiful sell. Okay, be on the lookout for that, guys. We got a beautiful correction setting up, a nice drop. Do not miss this drop. All right, focus on GJ for a short. Okay, probably a couple more 4-hour candles. We're already at that 4-hour retest, and we should get that probably by Monday, Tuesday. It should be dropping nice. All right, keep that on your watch list. Keep CAD JPY on your watch list. We already sold this in our community Friday, so we're already in this. Look for this. There's a big sell, right? As you can see, our TP's at like 88. Current price right now 90 to 80. It might pull back a little bit during this Asian session, Sydney session, but look for a short. All right, Euro JPY, same thing. Euro's actually pretty much done. I don't know if we're going to get a big pullback. It might just drop, but if you notice, Euro JPY, AUD JPY, they've all pretty much, well, was AUD or New Zealand? I think it was New Zealand. New Zealand already dropped. See how New Zealand? Funny thing is, usually Euro and GJ, Euro and Great Britain pound, they'll always lead. And then AUD and all the other JPYs will follow after. These are one of the rare occasions where like New Zealand will take off before a GJ. But that's cool. That just lets you know you still have an opportunity. And we got a lot of news with not JPY, but Great Britain pound pairs this week. See, Thursday, GBP and Euro. All right. So keep that on your watch list. Of course, GU, keep on your watch list. I would love to get a correction, just a bigger correction before this final drop on GU. We can just get a nice pullback, retest, boom, you want to look to short. All right, Euro Great Britain, be on the lookout for that, for this buy. All right, broke out, retested. So pretty much now you want to watch probably the 1 hour, 4-hour time frame, and you're just looking for strong momentum. Remember, there's a big move to the upside, right? You got heavy divergence, right? We're looking for Euro Great Britain to pop back up, all right? Get all the way back up to around 87. We're around 83, so about 400 pips. And if you're going to trade Euro Great Britain, look to trade Great Britain Swiss franc as well. Euro Great Britain Swiss franc is setting up for a short. All right. So we're at a 4-hour retest. All right. Had that break, downtrend. We're looking for this to drop. That should happen this week as well. All right. So like I said, I didn't want to make this video too long. Just wanted to update you guys pretty much on what's going on in the world, how inflation is really impacting us. Please, guys, watch that video. All right, I dropped it in the Telegram. If you're not in the Telegram, guys, subscribe. It's in the description below. If you have any questions, any concerns, email me, send me a message. If you want to get inside our Discord community, like I said, our people are absolutely killing it, killing the market. And everybody will tell you who's been attending the free morning sessions inside this community, just been learning so much, just absolutely killing it, guys. So get on this, man. I'll never steer you wrong. As far as the crypto market, you know, we're in this bear market. Don't be quick to jump back in and think this bull market is just going to come. I think we're going to get a couple more down moves and before this starts to, you know, slow down and, you know, start going on that next bull run. All right. Remember, any project you get into, going with the mindset, I'm going to hold this for the next 18, 24 months. All right. I used to preach that a lot when I first started getting into crypto and I was mentioning Cardano. I was like, yo, guys, get in Cardano. But I started talking about Cardano back in, I remember Cardano back in, why is this cut off? But anyways, I was talking about Cardano back in like late 2018, 2019. And when it was around 10 cents, under 10 cents, actually, when it was around like 5 cents. And then look, all the way up to $3, right? That took about 18, 24 months. All right. So same thing over here. But guys, start preparing yourself. If you haven't already taken the proper measurements, do it now, because if you wait and you let inflation and all this other stuff around the world catch up to you before you can take action to really change your life, all right, for some of you guys, it might be too late. And then you're going to be on my channel in the comment section, like, help, how do I do this? How do I do that? And ain't going to be nothing that can be done for you. All right. So as always, guys, be smart. Don't be stupid. Don't follow the masses. When something's not making sense, question it. All right. Question it. All right. As always, nothing but love. Hope you found value in this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Okay, shoot me a message if you need any help, any assistance with anything. Shoot me a message if you need help just even setting up an account. All right, let me know and I'll make sure to, you know, steer you in the right direction. But as always, guys, love you, appreciate you. For all my IML family, I'll see you tonight on Go Live. We're going to have an amazing week. Make sure you're plugged into the Telegram. It's in the description box below. So make sure you're tagged in. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. All right, guys. Thank you. Take care. Stay blessed. I'll try to drop another video later this week, but I'm back. Let's get it. Let's go.